If you are using Moniepoint app and not making money from this, you are sleeping on opportunity. You don't need a shop, you don't need qualification, you don't need experience, you don't even need a certificate. All you just need is for you to have Moniepoint app on your phone. Your app on your phone, you can be getting commission every day by just assigning a card and activating it for a customer. And guess what? The beautiful thing about this is Moniepoint is already a household name. Like, you don't need to stress yourself marketing it. A lot of people are using it. Your friends, your family, church members, everybody in your street, in your area, people are already using Moniepoint. Marketplaces everywhere you go is Moniepoint. If not be Moniepoint, it not be you get. What I'm trying to say in essence, of course, you have to put a lot of effort, but guess what? The more active and the more you get paid commission. And there's no limit to this. You can do 30 cards a day, 40 cards a day. You get paid 80%. Let's say you are sending a card for a customer for 1,000 naira, you get paid 800 naira from that card you are sending to that customer. And you see what? Times it by 10, 20, 30. Depends on what you can do a day, and you get paid instantly on your wallet. There's no two ways about it. You also get paid at the end of the month, plus your commission. You see what I'm talking about? Doing it as a civil servant, as a business owner, as a student. This is another opportunity for you to earn more. Do not sleep on this opportunity. On the comment section, I'm ready, and send. But I'm going to be making my WhatsApp number on this description. Send me a DM and let's make this money together. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you again in my next video. My name is Eunice.